is everything that surrounds us. It provides us with a variety of goods and services necessary for our day-to-day lives. These natural resources include air, water, soil, minerals, along with the climate and solar energy, which form the non-living or abiotic part of nature. The biotic or living part of nature consists of plants and animals, including microbes. Plants and animals can only survive as a communities of different organisms, all closely linked to each in their own habitat and requiring specific abiotic conditions, thus forests, grasslands, deserts, mountains, rivers, lakes, and marine environment all form habitats for specialized communities of plants and animals to live in. Interactions between the abiotic aspect of nature and the specific living organisms together form ecosystem of various types. Many of these living organisms are used as our food resources. The industrial development and intensive agriculture that provides the goods for our increasingly consumer-oriented society uses up large amounts of natural resources such as water, minerals, petroleum products, and wood. Non-renewable resources such as minerals and oil are those will be exhausted in the future if we continue to extract this without a thought for subsequent regenerations. Renewable resources such as timber and water are those which can be used but can be regenerated by natural processes such as regrowth or rainfall. But these too will be depleted if we continue to use them faster than nature can replace them. Environmental science is an interdisciplinary academic field that integrates various academic fields to study the structure and functions of our life-supporting biophysical environment, including earth processes, ecological system, climate change, and various types of pollutions. Environmental science integrates information from a number of other disciplines and thus multidisciplinary in nature such as biology, chemistry, physics, geology, geography, sociology, and economics have largely been integrated to develop different subdivisions of environmental science. Environmental studies deals with every issue that affects an organism. It is an essentially a multidisciplinary approach that brings about an appreciation of our natural world and human impacts on its integrity. In the recent years, scientists have been carefully examining the ways that people affect the environment. They have found out that we are causing air pollution, deforestation, acid rain, and other problems that are dangerous both to the earth and to human. Air pollution is a mix of hazardous substances from both human-made and natural sources. Vehicle emission, fuel oils and natural gas to heat homes, byproducts of manufacturing and power generation, particularly coal-fueled power plants, and fumes from chemical production are the primary source of human-made air pollution. Nature releases hazardous substances into the air, such as smoke from wildfires, which are often caused by people, ashen gases from volcanic eruption, and gases like methane, which are emitted from decomposing organic matter in soil. A major contributor to tropical deforestation is the practice of slash and burn agriculture. Small-scale farmers clear forests by burning them and then grow crops in the soil fertilized by the ashes. Typically, the land produces for only a few years and then must be abandoned and new patches of forest burned. Additionally, human activities that contribute to tropical deforestation include commercial logging and land clearing for cattle ranches and plantations of rubber trees, oil palm, and other economically valuable trees. Deforested lands are being replanted in some areas. Some of these replanting is done to replenish lagging areas for future exploitation, and some replanting is done as a form of ecological restoration, with the deforested areas made into protected land. Then forests are burned. Their carbon is returned to the atmosphere as a carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that has the potential to alter global climate, and the trees are no longer present to sequester the more carbon. Acid rain affects nearly everything: plants, soil, trees, buildings, and even statues can be transformed by the precipitation. Acid rain has been found to be very hard on trees. It weakens them by washing away the protective film on leaves, and it stunts growth. Acid rain can also change the composition of soil and bodies of water, making them uninhabitable for local animals and plants. The major environmental problems that face our planet did not appear overnight. They are the result of several forces working together: our technological innovation, our consumptive habits, and our pursuit of wealth, along with the exponential rise in the human population over the last 200 years. These forces have transformed the face of the earth to create economic opportunities and increase the standard of living for many people throughout the world. As time has passed, however, scientists have discovered that if population growth and the consumption of the planet's natural resources continue unabated, they would pose serious threat to the survival of our species as well as to the survival of millions of others.